Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. I am V. In today's video I am going to try the Infallible Fresh Wear 24 Hour. I got me a new shade and it's 370. Number 370, which is called Mocha. And I'm putting it on the right side of my face, which will be your left. I want to see if I got the right shade this time. It looks like this. Right side with the Mocha, left side with nothing. I'm putting the Hazelnut in on my left side, which will be your right. I have a video where I use this hazelnut color and I show how I did the correction because it was too light and I had to make it balanced. So I'll attach that video in that. So I'll attach that video so you can see how I corrected the wrong shade. Now these are the shades on my these are the shades on my face. This one is Hazelnut, this one is Mocha. Mocha looks too dark, Hazelnut looks too light. But this is what they look like. Now I can use both colors to fix each other. I can use Hazelnut on this side to balance this, and I can use Mocha on this side to balance this. Let's see if it works out. I am going to try it. So Hazelnut is lighter, so I'm going to take it and put it over Mocha, which is a little too dark for me. Let us see if it changes. Taking Mocha and put it over Hazelnut. So after making Hazelnut darker and making Mocha lighter, this is what I came out with. I didn't quite fix it the way I thought it would because Mocha looks a little ashy to me. But tell me what you think in the comments. Again, remember to go out there and live life. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and bye. See you later.